Life, a profound mystery, an enigma that has baffled scientists and philosophers for centuries. How does a single cell transform into a complex, intelligent being with thoughts, emotions, and dreams? Today, we delve into the world of embryology, where science is beginning to unravel this profound question. Embryo models, miniature structures grown from stem cells, serve as our guide into the early stages of human development. These tiny marvels mimic the intricate three-dimensional organization of embryos only 1 to 2 weeks old. A remarkable achievement indeed that scientists have managed to grow complete models of human embryos in the laboratory. But the wonder doesn't stop there. The first embryo model with structural compartment organization shares a striking morphological similarity to a human embryo at day 14. It's like peering into a miniature mirror of life's inception. These models are not just scientific curiosities. They are paving the way for remarkable advances in numerous fields. In fertility research, they provide invaluable insights that could help countless couples realize their dreams of parenthood. In pharmaceutical testing, they allow us to assess the impact of medicines on real human embryos, shedding light on potential side effects during pregnancy. And in the field of transplants, just imagine the possibility of growing replacement organs from these model embryos. The potential to save lives is immense. Yet, as with any revolutionary technology, there are ethical considerations to ponder. Should individuals donate their own skin cells to create these model embryos for medical needs? It's a question that sparks intriguing debates. Looking to the future, the promise of these models is vast. From unraveling the mysteries behind miscarriages to the development of personalized medicine, these tiny structures hold the keys to some of life's most profound secrets. So come along on this scientific journey as we unlock the secrets of life, one cell at a time. Remember, the universe is not made of atoms, it's made of tiny stories. And today, we've added another chapter to the grand narrative of life. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more mind-boggling discoveries. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep marveling at the wonder of life.